Yo guys, what up? It's Zombie Mods here, and I'm showing you a tutorial here how to make your own custom zombies map here on the PC. And I know it's kinda useless to make a video about this because I know a lot of people already done this already, but who gives a damn? I'll just make a video anyway because I like making custom maps. That's what I like doing when I get bored and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. So first thing you want to go is go in the link below, download the first one called the mod tools. That's the most main thing. Alright, hit download. Exit that out. Pop up. Okay, when that's downloading, go minimize it, and go to your folder down here. Go to Windows C drive. Go to Program Files 86. Go to Steam. Steam Apps. If I can find it. There we go. Common. And there you go. There's World at War. Right click on it. Create shortcut. Now select it. Drag it to your desktop. Yeah, I already have it, but I'll just replace it. There you go. Put it right there. Or put it wherever on your desktop. Okay, exit out. Now, when you open it up, there you go. That's your World at War files. Okay, now I'm gonna wait till this gets done here. Alright, so when that gets done, left click on it. Now wait till this all pops up. There you go. That's all your mod tools right there. Okay, minimize that, or just exit out, or do whatever. Okay, open up your World at War files, and make sure that it does not fall into one of these folders here. Select it all, and just drag it right in your root folder. I'm just gonna wait till that gets done now. Now when that gets done, you can X this out. Next step is get the script placer. Now in the second link, go to it. Now by the way, you might have to make a account to get this file. I don't know, I forgot if you have to or not, but you just might. So click on it. Now left click, hit yes. Okay, that is what it should look like. Okay, X out, X everything out. Go to your folder down here. Go up to your downloads. See the script placer, drag it to your World at War files. Now the mod tools patch, well, you can just delete that or just keep it somewhere if you need it, just in case. Alright, so now go to your World at War files, click on Common, and right click, go to Properties, uncheck that, hit Apply, hit OK. Now this is gonna stop some errors. Like if you don't do this, when you try to compile your map and stuff, it's gonna give you some errors called MWI or some IWI file denied and stuff. If you do this, you won't be getting that. Alright, when that gets done, click OK. Go back to your World at War files. Go to bin. Go right click on launcher. Go run as a administrator. Click on yes. Alright, now your first time loading this up, click on converter. Now what is this gonna do? It's just gonna check for errors and missing files and that such. Alright, it's done. Now you might get a error says error 1, but that's not a big deal. So yeah. So now exit out. Go to not Asset Manager. Back it up. Right click on UGX Script Placer. Go to run as administrator. Click on yes. And here we go. Now general map name. Now you can have it Nazi underscore zombie zombie underscore your map name. For me, I'm gonna have it test, or you can just name it like this, like survive or something. I don't know. But for me, I'm just gonna have it Nazi underscore zombie underscore test, because that's what a lot of maps are. They always have it Nazi zombie, then the map name. Now this is what it's gonna show in the game, where when you just load it up, on the I think it's on the left side, it's gonna say a text saying something. But for me, I'm just gonna say survive. Okay, now what setup map is all in there for you, basically. Like all the zombies and the dogs and everything else is already in there. You don't have to add it and mess with anything. It's all there for you. But blank map, if you're like a professional or you know what you're doing, then do blank map. But if it's your first time, then select setup map. Alright, so now effects. You can have it snowy or rainy, but I'm just gonna have it none because it's a setup map. What do you expect? Menu, main menu button. When you load up the mod, it's not gonna say solo anymore. It's gonna change the solo name to whatever you want it to be. Alright, so I'm gonna have it, I don't know. Just gonna name it Start. Alright, so when you do your solo button, set a map, yeah, select, do all this stuff, and then disable console. Now, if you don't know what this is, enable it, and then when you go into a game, you can go hit that little squiggly key in the game and type in God mode, and then you can't die. It's kind of cheating. So if you don't want that, if you don't want players to cheat in your map, you just disable that, and there you go, done. Generate. Now, main menu, replace it if you want the solo button to work. Okay, now go all the way down to bin, launcher again, on administrator, click on yes, then go to mod builder, select your map, then make sure everything is checked. As you can see, one box is not checked. Now build mod ff fast file, build IWD file, and then build mod. Now your first time doing this, it might take a little while, but every time when you keep on doing this over and over again, every time when you edit your map, it will go like a lot more faster. So everything's okay, that's good. Now go to compile level. Now select Nazi zombie, your map name. Now compile BSP, compile lights, connect paths, compile reflections, build fast files. You can check this if you want, you don't have to. Now this is optional. Check that, select your map name, because your first time doing this, everything will not be checked, or some things will be checked and some things will be not, so make sure to do that. Alright, now compile level. Now when you might get a few pop-ups in that, don't exit out, or you might get some errors when you try to load up your map. Alright, it's done. Now do the patch. Now make sure you just do build fast files. Make sure you check that, do these two things, and compile level. Now you're done. Now exit out, exit everything out, then load up your world.war. Okay guys, like I said, when you load up your mod, by going to mod, select it, then launch, then it should not say solo anymore, it should say start. Now click on it to start it. Oh, what did I get here? BG underscore load weapon def cannot find default weapon. Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, sometimes that happens. Sometimes you just get that randomly. See in the corner, it says survive.
I think we need to turn the power on. Don't fuck with a Marine.
Oh, okay then. Put down my controller here. Okay, quick game. So yeah, in the next video, I am gonna make a tutorial tomorrow showing you guys how to use Radiant. It is the heart of this whole thing. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.